Hi YouTube, I'm Ivan, and this is Irelia. And I just got a birthday gift from my friend Adele, who gave me this cat hat, Kirby themed cat hat, that I can put on Irelia. And so I just want to do a quick random video just to unbox this and put it on Irelia. It's one of 5. You can get a Kirby one, another Kirby one, a Waddle Dee one, a Star one, and a King Dedede one. It's Japanese, but she found this at Barnes & Noble's. I don't know how much it was, but I probably shouldn't ask because it's a gift. So let's unbox it. It's Irelia. How do you open it? Oh, you want to wear it? You're excited to wear it? Ah! I ripped it. Hey, it's a Kirby one. There we go. Maybe it's the one that's on the cover. I think maybe it's not random. Is it random? Oh, it's a blind box. So it's random, okay. Intended for pet use only. Don't use on a cat who hates collars. I thought I hated collars, but she seems to wear one now fine. A cat who doesn't want to be touched. I really likes being touched. And a cat with a head or that's too small or too big. She has a pretty small head, but I think it'll fit. And a cat who is ill, a cat who is too young or too old. I think Irelia is like 10 years young or 8 years young, so this should be okay. All right, let's unbox it. Can you hear her purring? Let me see if there's anything else in here. All right, instruction booklet. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very cool, very cool. Oh. So, you like it? How's it going? It covers your ears? Okay, are you ready? Oh, it's elastic. How do you put it on? Does it go under? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Yeah. Huh? Okay, can you follow me? Can you follow me? Ah! Put your head through. Right through. No. Are there instructions in here? Okay. Alright. I got it around her head. No!
Fix the ear. Oh, the ear is covered.
Oh! Oh my god. Hey, hold on. Gotta cover her entirely.
Yeah.
Look at it! It's so cute! Look at
Oh.
Look over there. Look at them. She's so cute. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm amazed. Oh, it's like a beanie, like a Kirby beanie. Oh, okay. Are you happy already? She looks happy. Almost, Bella, almost. What does she look like?
Maybe you hold here and I take a picture.